Hello all, welcome to another Lavelle Claytor's Projects with a Purpose. In this episode, I'd like to show you an amazing software that allows you to speak and the software will type the information on your screen. First thing you're going to need to do is open up a document or a website in which you would like to speak and have Windows 10 dictate software type your information. On my screen, I have Microsoft Word open. I'm going to click on the document that I would like to have the software type what I'm saying. I'm going to go to my keyboard. I'm going to find the Windows key and the H. I'm going to hold down the Windows key and tap H, and if you look at the very top of my screen, you're going to notice there is an icon or a software that is listening, and you will notice it is typing everything that I am saying on the screen, period. So this is an amazing software. As you noticed, what it did, it started typing everything that I said, and then all I have to do is go back through and edit. If you watched my previous episode where I talked about the speak command that is in the upper left-hand corner of my screen, all I need to do is select what I want it to read, and then I'll go up to the upper left corner of my screen, click on the speak command.
Look at the very top of my screen. You're going to notice there is an icon or a software that is listening, and you will notice it is typing everything that I am saying on the screen.
So to me, this is a great software to use together. Your dictate software, which is in Windows 10, and your speak command, which is built inside of Microsoft Office. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I look forward to providing you with new and exciting information in the near future. Have an amazing day.